Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, we will explore how to use Remini Photo Enhancer to improve image quality instantly. You will learn how to enhance blurry or low resolution photos, restore old images, and apply AI powered enhancements with just a few taps. Whether you are a content creator, photographer, or social media user, this step by step guide will show you how to achieve sharper, clearer, and more professional looking photos using Remini. Let's get started. So, right now, we are at the website of the Remini AI. I have also provided the website link into the description. You can read to this website through that link. So this is the overall layout of this website. As you can see this, so when you upload any kind of photo, you can you can enhance your image photo. Here, as you can see that this is the before image before editing, and after using that the Remini AI editor, the photo will look like something like this. So you can also manage your background enhancer. You can just click background enhancer. You can increase face glow, face enhancement. As you can see that the difference in the photos. So face enhancer, face glow, and auto color. As you can see that we have added auto colors as well. Okay, so if you go with the landscape mode, if you have any picture with the landscape, as you can see, this is the before and this is the after editing with these features. So that's how basically you can use the Remini. They also have a mobile application which you can use, but it's a paid version. But in a free version you have to just watch a few ads and then you will can do editing of your photo in just a few clicks. So if you want to try this, you can just click on the try Remini. Okay, so you will get this kind of interface here. So generative AI as well as the professional enhancement. You can also try this enhancement feature on web. So let's click on the enhance on Remini web. So as you can see that we have got that option for uploading our files. So here we will select our choose a file and we will upload our file. So let's see if we try with this photo. We have this blurry photo here. Let's see how it works and what kind of enhancement it does to our file. It will just take a few seconds. So hold for a second. So they have taken us to the dashboard where we can do the things manually as well. So let's switch. So as you can see that it has created a photo. So as you can see that it has created a photo with these effects. Like as you can see this, if you go with the before and after, wait for a second. And here you can see that you can also add enhancement to the base. You can change to the version. Let's apply again. You can also background blur. You can also change the enhancement for the blurry background. So as you can see this, the results are here. This is the before and this is the after. This hasn't worked perfectly on this image because the image was already not in good condition. Okay, so you can try multiple image and you will get the required result. You can also do color adjustment here. You can choose the auto color features like you want to do this, and let's apply. So that's how basically you can use the Remini app feature on the web. But if you use the mobile application, the result will be drastically amazing. As you can see that it has enhanced the colors. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.